Now we're gonna install the new spark plugs. I like to use a magnet all the time while dropping them off, and I can start to screw them on, and after just use a socket to tighten. So now we're gonna install these new spark coils, and after we're gonna install the battery as well. I just charged it and we're gonna test the engine. Let's see how it's gonna work. I'm gonna warm it up for a few minutes, and after we're gonna take it on the road to test drive it and see how it's gonna work. If it's gonna throw check engine light again or not. These are our RPMs right now. It's still warming up. It should drop below 1000 once the engine is in operating temperature. And as you can see, they're pretty stable, not playing up and down like it was before. So slowly the engine is gonna warm up and the revolutions are gonna go down. It works pretty well. I like it. What can I say? Drives well. I don't see more shaking. It's pretty smooth.